Hello everyone, welcome back and salutations. So now we are going to continue with SOP2 of Skillset 2 HTML5. Alright, so let's go through the question. The question tells create a web page with following specification. The specifications are image of any scientist with an alternative text as his name, then create a paragraph related to information of that scientist and create a table of his or her inventions. So to perform this practical you must have certain knowledge about the scientist. Okay, so any scientist. Okay, so I have prepared something about Satyendranath Bose. So I have already created this HTML file. I have saved this notepad. Okay, save this notepad file with the name sop2.html in the same folder which was previously made. Okay, so this is the simple basic structure, and I prepared a paragraph about Satyendranath Bose, about his invention regarding boson, okay, which is also called as Bose Bose-Einstein statistics. Okay, some particles which follow these statistics are known as bosons or Bose-Einstein. Okay, condensate. All right, so you can also prepare some information as it is said in the question. You have to display the information in paragraph as well as in the table, and before that you have to display the image. So right now I do not have any image of Satyendranath Bose. I'm going to download the image. Okay, so you choose your favorite scientist and prepare the information in this manner. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to download the image. So go to any web browser. You must have internet connectivity and type the name of the scientist in the search bar. So as you can see, Satyendranath Bose. Okay, I'm working with Microsoft Edge browser, so this is Microsoft Bing. Okay, Bing is the search engine that is used in Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so I'll go to the images. I want images. Choose any suitable image. Okay, click on any suitable image. So this is nice. Okay, and you can just save it. Okay, let it download completely. I think so it's a very simple image. It downloaded quickly. Now right click. Okay, then save image as. You can save the image from here also as well as here also. I will choose desktop. Okay, and give the file name as Satyendranath Bose. And save. Okay, so it is going to be saved in the desktop. Okay, so this is how you can download. Now see, this image has been downloaded. You can see here. Once the image has been downloaded, now let's try to display the image. Okay, we will try to display the image. So I'm giving a single click after this opening of body tag and giving an enter, okay, from the keyboard. Now to display an image we will use img tag, img. Okay, in HTML to display image you are supposed to use img tag. Okay, and you are supposed to provide the source of the image, the location of the image. Okay, so I'm also going to demonstrate how to provide the location step by step. Okay, you don't have to type entire thing, you have to copy paste, but follow several steps. Okay, 2 3 steps are there to follow. So the attribute used to provide the location of the image is src. Src stands for source. Okay, so these are the two important things to keep in mind. Use img tag to display the image, and the most important attribute src attribute, because here only you are going to provide the location of the image. So this location of the image will be used by the web browser. Okay, because web browser is going to display the web page, so the web browser is going to find this image, so you have to provide the location. Okay, so value, as you know very well, this is the tag After a single space, there will be the attribute is equal to, and after is equal to, give double quote. Okay. And inside the double quote, provide the location, provide the value of the attribute. Okay. So now this image has been downloaded here, as you can see in the desktop. Right click, you can choose any location to save it. Okay, I chose desktop. Okay, now right click on the image and select properties, the last option, properties. Okay, from here you select location. There will be a lot of information, but choose this third information. See, this first information is the name of the image. Okay, then second is the extension of the image. It's a jpg file, so extension is going to be .jpg. Third information is about the application through which it is going to open. If you want to change, you can change it. Okay, and next information is the location, so choose this fourth information, that is location. Okay, select this with your mouse, copy it, or right click copy, however you want, copy. Okay, copy it and paste in the notepad. So this is only the location. Okay, but desktop has several files. My desktop, you can see there are a lot of files in the desktop. Okay, so how web browser is going to understand which file has to be opened, which file has to be opened from the desktop, because there are two image files. One is regarding this flower and another is about Satyendranath Bose. Okay, so you have to provide the name of the image also. Okay, but after desktop you have to give a separation in this manner. See how this folder, name of the folders are separated. Okay, you have to give a separation. So type a backslash in this manner. Now this backslash is available below the backspace button of your keyboard. Type a similar backslash, how the separator is used, and now you provide name of the image. Okay, so name of the image is the very first detail inside the properties. Okay, so I will select everything, copy and paste. Sorry, I will paste here. See, this is how you provide location. First, once you copy paste the location, it will be only this much. It can be any location. You have to take it from the properties, copy and paste. Type a matching slash and provide the name of the file, image. Okay, now possibly in your computer .jpg will not be visible, only the name of the file will be there in this manner. Okay, so what to do? You have to provide the extension also, otherwise the browser will not identify what is the type of file. With the help of extension only, it identifies which type of file has to be provided in the web browser. Okay, displayed in the web browser. So extension is important. If your computer shows only this much, name of the image, name of the image, and not .jpg or .png anything. Okay, so observe the second detail here. You in the here you will be seeing in the bracket extension is available, that is .jpg. From here you can see the extension and type. Okay, for example, your computer does not give extension automatically in this manner. So observe from the second detail, the bracket. Okay, in the bracket we had the extension .jpg. So type .jpg. This is how you provide the entire location. So you provide the entire location where the image is located, give a separator, provide name of the image, and also specify the type of the image with the help of the extension in this manner. Okay, and img tag has several attributes. First important attribute is src, next is alt, then height, width. You can also increase or decrease the height of the image to display inside the web page. Okay, so I am going to use alt as it's given in the question. In alt, you are asked to provide name of the scientist. Satyendra Nath Bose. Okay, so now I'm going to display the output. Let me see if this displays properly or not. Okay, so I will use Internet Explorer. You can choose any web browser. All right, and as I told you, if this menu bar is not available, okay, you have to right click on the title bar and see if this menu bar option is selected or not. If it is not selected, select it. And this is available only in Internet Explorer, not any other browser. Okay, so you can open the web page in two ways. This is the first way which I am demonstrating. Click on the file menu, click on open, browse. Okay, so this is the folder. Here the file name is SOP2. Choose the file. I'm sorry, select the file in this manner. Click on open, click on open. So the image we have here, and the paragraph I have not provided any effect, so I'm going to provide some effects to the paragraph, but the image is displayed. As you can see, this is the full size image. So if you want to reduce the height of the image, you can reduce with the help of attribute height. Okay, you can adjust the height and width of the image as you want. Value can be given in pixels or percentage. Okay, so I'm going to give 300 for example. Let's see what happens. Refresh. So the image is little bit smaller now. So I'll try to reduce. I'll give 250. Okay, so 50 pixels will be less now. Refresh. Okay, so I think so this is fine. This looks good. Okay, now you will say in alt you have given name of the scientist, that is not displayed, that will not display. Okay, this alt text will only display by chance if the image is not displayed. Okay, not successfully displayed. Instead of the image, the text will be visible. Okay, so that is the use of alternate text alt attribute. Okay, alt attribute is used to provide alternate text to the image. And as you know, height and width can be provided. I'll give width also. Control S. Now if it goes like this, okay, you can give an enter in this manner. Okay, so it looks in the same screen. Control S. I type the paragraph in this manner only. Okay, otherwise it does not have anything like a word. Okay, any word processing software automatically things will come in next line. No, it does not come. You have to type enter. Okay, uh, save it and see the change. Okay, so width has been increased, but that doesn't look very nice. So let's see what happens. This is fine. Okay, so now regarding the paragraph, I'm going to put p tag. Okay, in p tag you can include paragraph in this manner. Okay, now I'm going to highlight this name of the scientist. Okay, so I'm going to give bold effect over here. See, now I am nesting the tags, means providing tags inside the tag. Okay, so now the name of the scientist Satyendranath Bose is surrounded with opening and closing of the B tag. That means this text Satyendranath Bose will get bold effect. Let's see if it happens. Okay, I think so. I did not save the document. I have to save it. Control S, come back, refresh. Okay, see, bold effect. And as you give P tag takes its own line and ends on its own line. It does not allow any other tag to continue from here. After Paul, direct, nothing will be continued. That is the speciality of P tag. P tag also has an attribute, only one attribute, align. Okay, and you can give values as left, right, center, or justify. Okay, any one value after out of these four. Now I will see what more effects I can apply. Okay, I'll try to, yes, he is a recipient of Padma Bhushan award. Okay, so this I'm going to mark. Okay, I will use the mark tag to highlight the text. Okay, open and close the tag wherever wherever you feel this text needs to be highlighted. Okay, now see this has been highlighted. Looks good. Okay, and I will also highlight this Bose-Einstein condensate with the help of ins tag or u tag. Okay, both are going to give you the same effect of underline, ins tag or u tag. Ins stands for inserted text. See, it has got an underline effect. Okay, and boson also needs some recognition. So boson named by Paul Dirac will give italic effect. Okay, so this is how you can nest several tags, several effects, whichever effects you want to give to any text, surround that particular text with the tags. Okay, opening and closing tags. All right, so this has been done. The work of the paragraph is also done. Now what is left, we will see the question. Image of any scientist with alternate text. Yes, this is done. Create a paragraph and related to the information. This is also done. Create a table of his or her inventions. This is remaining. Now we will create a table. So to create a table, first of all, begin with the table tag. Okay. Now rest of the things will get clear as we proceed. Okay. First of all, start the table with the help of table tag. And the table in HTML is presented in the form of rows. Okay, so row by row you have to keep updating. Okay, that means first row you have to create. In the first row, how many cells you want, each cell will accompany itself like a column. Okay, so let's begin. So to begin a row, you have to start with tr tag. Okay, tr stands for table row. And to give number of cells. Now how many, actually I have written in notebook, okay, about the work. So that I'm going to present in the form of table. So tr tag stands for table row, as I told you, means start a row. Inside the table, start a row. Okay, and inside this row, I want two cells. Okay, so individual cells can be given with the help of two special tags known as th tag and td tag. Th tag stands for table header or table heading, okay, which will give the text some bold effect. Okay, so here I will give SR number, means serial number. Okay, and closing of TH is optional, but if you want, you can give a closing. Okay, so you can give a closing, otherwise closing is optional, you can skip also, but you have to provide the text that will be inside that cell. Now th tag will create a single cell in this tr row. Okay, in this first row. Then I also want another row known as, once again I'm going to use th because I want to give bold effect to this text. Okay, that is about work. Okay, and now I'm not going to close th, as I told you, th closing is optional. Okay, close tr. Okay, so tr tag opens, tr tag closes. So tr tag is a container of cells. Okay, first row is the container of two cells in this manner. And now I will close the table tag. Okay, to see how much output is ready for us. So control S, and as I told you, after p tag nothing will be continued, so table will be continuing in next line. And okay, so I will save it and refresh. See, two cells are there, serial number and work, but they don't have borders. If you want to give borders to the cells, okay, provide border attribute inside the table tag, okay, and value can be given in numbers, okay, 1 2. See, okay, borders have appeared now, so you have to provide border attribute. Okay, so this is information only about one single row. Similarly, you have to keep increasing this sequence. Okay, so now I will copy this. I have selected this, copied, and now I'll paste. Okay, so now this will be control S. This will be information of second row. Okay, so this is how table will continue to grow row by row, and each cell you provide determines the columns. Okay, so now here I'm going to give TD. As I told you, cells inside a single row can be made with the help of TH and TD. Okay, TH will give the bold effect, TD will not give bold effect. Okay, so here I'm going to provide the text, and as usual closing of TD is also optional, so you can give a closing to TD or not. Okay, doesn't matter, closing is optional. Here I'm going to provide one, and here for the work I'm going to mention paper on Planck's quantum radiation law. Okay, so I have mentioned the text. You can close TD or just leave it as it is. If you do not close, then also you will get the out. Okay, so this is row number 2. Here we have two cells, so one will be placed below here serial number, and this paper on Planck's quantum will be placed below the work. Okay, now pay attention. See this, and as per the size of the text, the column has been arranged. Okay, yes, now we will prepare one more row, third row. See, right click, also you can do copy. The shortcut you know, Control C, and for pasting Control V. Okay, so here I will make a minor change and change the work. So here I will provide Bose-Einstein condensate boson. Okay, so this is the third row. Control S, and now refresh. Now see, this table is ready. Okay. Now if you want to bring these numbers in the this 1 and 2 in center position. Okay, by default it's left. If you want to bring in the center position. Okay, so what you have to do, go in this individual cell and provide the attribute. Now this is applicable. That's why I'm able to apply. Okay, so TD has the usage of align attribute. Align to change the alignment from left to center. Okay, similarly I'm going to give alignment, so I'll copy this instead of typing it again here 2. Okay, here in this TD, in this cell, after giving a single space, I will type send. Okay, Control S, refresh. So what should happen? The text inside these two cells should come in the center alignment. Okay, and TD gives normal effect to means no effect, no special effect, nothing like bold or anything. Okay, and if you want to give certain color to the table, okay, so you can give VG color. All these things are given in the textbook, which tag has which attributes. Okay, so you should study theoretically. For example, okay, I'll give pink or cyan, whatever you want to give. Okay, now see this. The whole table has got pink color. Okay, now if you want to give some another color, for example, to the specific work, you want to give blue color as background. Okay, so give bg color in the individual cell and provide the color cyan. Okay, lighter version of blue. Copy, and after giving a space, paste, Control S, and refresh. See this. Okay, so this is how you can make changes by applying several attributes and make your table look attractive. Closure of table is important. I hope so you have understood about this. Okay, so I'll try to reduce the font size so that if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. See, format menu of the notepad, click on the font option. Here you can change the font, change the size. If you want to give a bold effect to look it prominently clear on the screen, I give bold effect. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of it. All right, now this is the last part of the entire part of the table. From here to here, you can take a screenshot and practice. Okay, and I will suggest you make this web page for some another scientist. Okay, for some another scientist. All right, so next time we will perform SOP3. For now I will stop the video. All the videos will be available in my channel, so please subscribe the channel. If you like this explanation, please give a like and share this demonstration. If it is helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned.